There comes a point in life when we realize that age is no longer just a number. It becomes an indicator of the choices we've made for our bodies, and it starts to affect how we move through the world every day. For many over the age of 80, even simple tasks like standing on one foot for 10 seconds can feel impossible. And that's not just a number either. It's a wake-up call. If you've tried to stand on one foot for 10 seconds and found it hard, your body is telling you that balance is slipping, and more importantly, your risk of falling is rising. But don't worry, there is hope. And today, I'm here to guide you through a transformative journey with 3 simple exercises that can rebuild your balance, strength, and confidence. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of stability, feeling strong and grounded, ready to face whatever the day brings. These 3 exercises are not just physical movements. They are tools for a better, healthier life. They are the keys to unlocking your independence, to living your life with grace and confidence, no matter what number your birth certificate reads. Whether you're 80, 85, or 90, it's never too late to start moving again. And I promise, if you stick with it, the results will astound you. The first exercise we're going to focus on is the pelvic lift. Now, you may know it by another name, like the glute bridge, but let me tell you, this exercise is a game changer. It targets your glutes, your core, and your pelvis, which are the foundation of every movement you make. When these muscles are weak, everything suffers: your posture, your gait, and yes, even your ability to stand on one foot. But when they are strong, you're more stable, more confident, and more independent. To do this exercise, lie on your back on a soft surface, your yoga mat, a carpet, whatever feels comfortable. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. The key to this movement is to focus on engaging your core. So before you begin, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, draw your belly button toward your spine. This simple engagement protects your lower back. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees, and you should feel the squeeze in your glutes. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds at the top, then lower slowly. This slow, controlled movement strengthens your pelvis, stabilizing your lower body and giving you the foundation you need to stand tall again. Try for 8 to 12 repetitions. If getting down on the floor is too challenging, do a seated version on a sturdy chair. Just squeeze your glutes and feel the lift in your seat. Progress is the goal, not perfection. Next, we move to the stability leg raise or standing hip abduction. If you're having trouble balancing, the muscles on the sides of your hips, the gluteus medius, are likely weak. These muscles are responsible for keeping your hips stable as you shift weight or walk. Without them, you may feel wobbly when moving from side to side. This exercise is here to address that issue directly, giving you that side-to-side balance that's so critical for fall prevention. To do this exercise, stand next to a sturdy chair or counter for support. Shift your weight onto one leg, and with your core engaged, slowly raise the other leg to the side. Don't use momentum to swing your leg. This should be a slow, deliberate movement. You're aiming to strengthen your hips, not see how high you can lift your leg. Hold for 2 or 3 seconds at the top, and then lower it back down slowly. Repeat on the other side. Start with 10 to 12 repetitions per side, and as you get stronger, try doing it with less support until eventually, you can do it without holding on to anything. This exercise will rebuild your hip stability, and with it, your confidence in walking and balancing. Finally, the chair sit to stand or functional power squat is a simple but incredibly powerful movement. If you've ever struggled to get up from a chair or found it difficult to rise from bed, this exercise is for you. It mimics one of the most important daily activities, standing up, and helps to rebuild the strength in your legs and core so you can continue living independently. As we age, we lose muscle mass and strength, particularly in the legs, which makes getting up a challenge. The chair sit to stand is here to fix that. To do this exercise, sit at the edge of a sturdy chair, with your feet flat on the floor and your knees slightly behind your toes. Cross your arms over your chest to avoid pushing off with your hands. Lean your torso slightly forward, bringing your nose over your toes. This helps shift your center of gravity forward so you can engage your legs. Then press firmly through your heels and stand up. Squeeze your glutes as you rise. To sit back down, don't just collapse. Lower yourself, hinging at your hips and controlling the descent. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. If this is too challenging, use the armrests to assist, but aim to use them less and less over time as you build strength. These 3 exercises, the pelvic lift, stability leg raise, and chair sit to stand, are the foundation of a routine that can transform your life. They strengthen your core, stabilize your hips, and restore functional strength to your legs. They not only improve your balance, but also restore your independence, something we all need to hold on to as we grow older. Remember, consistency is key. Start small and progress at your own pace. Every step you take towards strengthening your body is a victory. I want you to envision a future where you no longer fear falling, a future where you wake up every day feeling strong, confident, and capable. This vision is within your reach. These 3 exercises can make a real difference in your life, but it's up to you to take that first step, and I know you can do it. So if you're ready to regain your balance and your strength, let's commit to this journey together. I want to hear from you. Type yes in the comments if you're ready to take the first step toward better balance and a stronger body. And if you found this routine helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Let's build a community of strong, independent seniors who are taking their health into their own hands. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're ready to take control of your health and regain your balance, don't wait. Start these simple exercises today and feel the transformation. Hit the like button if you're committed to strengthening your body and improving your balance. Subscribe to the Seniors Hub so you never miss a video filled with life-changing tips and exercises that will keep you moving confidently. Share this video with a friend or family member who could benefit from it, and drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to take the first step toward a stronger, healthier you. Let's build a community of empowered seniors. Together, we are unstoppable.